In this lecture, we are going to study different pollution control measures and prevention techniques. Let us begin with the term pollution control. What does pollution control means? Pollution control is a term used in environmental management. It means the control of emission and influence into the air, soil or water. Without pollution control, the waste product from consumption, heating, agriculture, mining, manufacturing, transportation, and other human activities, whether they accumulate or disperse, will degrade the environment. Pollution prevention is a major global concern because of the harmful effect of pollution on persons' health and on the environment. Environmental protection means caring for our resources and subsequently for ourselves, and it is for ensuring a sustainable future for generation to come. It will have a better environment. Recycling, reusing, waste minimization, mitigating, preventing and compost are some techniques of pollution prevention. Let us have a look at recycling method to reduce pollution. It is a process to change waste material into new products to prevent waste of potentially useful materials. Recycles result in reducing the consumption of fresh raw material, which reduces the energy uses and reduces air pollution. Water pollution by reducing the need for conventional waste disposal. Lower greenhouse gas emission as compared to plastic production by the process following recycling. Reuse. Reuse is the prevention measure to use an item again after it has been used. This includes conventional reuse where the item is used again for the same function and new life reuse where it is used for a different function. In contrast, recycling is the breaking down of used item into raw materials which are used to make new item. By taking useful products and exchanging them without processing, reuse helps save time, more money, energy and resources. Waste minimization. It is a process of elimination that involves reducing the amount of waste produced in society. It helps in elimination the generation of harmful and persistent waste, supporting the efforts to promote a more sustainable society. Waste minimization involves redesigning products concerning consumption and production of waste generation to prevent the creation of waste. Environmental mitigation or mitigation banking are the terms used primarily by the United States government and the related environmental industry to describe projects or programs intended to offset known impacts to an existing historic or natural resources such as stream, wetland, endangered species, archaeological sites or historical structures. To mitigate means to make less harsh or hostile. Pollution prevention. It reduces the amount of pollution generated by a process, whether it is consumer consumption, driving or industrial production. Any time that people conserve water or energy, they prevent the pollution. Cutting down on the water use leads to reduction in the amount of effluents that must be treated at a sewage treatment plant, which requires energy. Cutting down on energy use can reduce the burning of fossil fuel, either in combustion engines or in coal-fired electric generators. So, by cutting down on amount of water and energy that we use in our daily operation, we can reduce the amount of greenhouse gases and particulate matter that is released into the atmosphere. Compost is organic matter that has been decomposed and recycled as a fertilizer and soil amendment. Compost is a key ingredient for in the organic farming. At the simplest level, the process of composting simply requires making a heap of wetted organic matter known as green waste. Let us have a look on these pollution control devices such as dust collection system, bag houses, cyclones, electrostatic precipitator, sewage treatment methods such as sedimentation, activated sludge, biotreaters also used for industrial waste water. Traditionally, waste has been managed through treatment, recycling, control equipment, and landfilling. These are often referred to as end of pipe process. These solutions cost money and are sometimes not environmentally sound. It involves determining where waste is generated to identify how best to eliminate or reduce it at the source. Effective pollution prevention requires a different approach to design and operation of mines, farms, manufacturing plants, refineries, transportation system, parks and any other facility that can potentially create waste and pollution. Industrial wastewater treatment is done by using API oil water separators, biofilters, dissolved air flotation, and powder activated carbon treatment. Regulation and monitoring are the activities to be performed to prevent the pollution. If a manager takes the time to inform and educate his or her staff on environmental issues, it allows the staff to monitor their own behavior and practices pollution prevention while carrying out their own individual duties. Thus, we have studied pollution control measures to be taken in contrast with air, water, soil, and noise pollution. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.